Welcome back to Immigration Insight, where we keep you updated with the current immigration and visa rules. The Australia Department of Home Affairs conducts the SkillSelect invitation round regularly, typically monthly or quarterly. During these rounds, the Department of Immigration sends invitations to candidates for permanent residency who have applied under the point-based General Skilled Migration Visa programs. Understanding these rounds is crucial for anyone aiming to become an Australian resident through the Permanent Migration Program. In 2024 to 2025, over 185,000 migrants will be eligible to move to Australia, offering opportunities to professionals worldwide. This video explains the process of the SkillSelect invitation rounds and provides tips to enhance your chances of being selected from the competitive pool of candidates. The Australian SkillSelect invitation rounds are the government's method of selecting qualified individuals from the pool of expressions of interest, EOIs, to apply for a skilled visa. These rounds usually occur monthly, though the frequency may vary based on application numbers and Australia's immigration planning levels. The three-step process for SkillSelect invitation rounds includes: submit an expression of interest, EOI. Complete an EOI on SkillSelect, detailing your qualifications, skills, and preferred visa category. Accumulate points. Your EOI receives a points score based on various factors such as age, education, English proficiency, and work experience. Await an invitation. If your points score is high enough, you may receive an invitation to apply during an invitation round, depending on the visa type and demand for your skills. SkillSelect Occupation List. Anyone looking to migrate to Australia based on their skills must start by submitting an EOI on the SkillSelect website. The SkillSelect Occupation List, which is regularly updated based on the performance of the National Immigration Program and ongoing consultations, includes the medium and long-term strategic skills list and the short-term skilled occupations list. Occupations are frequently added or removed, and if your occupation is removed, you will not be eligible to migrate using this platform. Tips to increase your invitation chances. Improve your English test score. Higher English proficiency scores can earn you more points. Gain additional work experience. Relevant work experience, both from your home country and Australia, can make your EOI stand out. Achieve more education and state nomination. Additional credentials and a nomination from an Australian state or territory can significantly boost your points. Occupation ceilings for invitation rounds. Certain job categories may have a maximum number of EOIs that can be invited to ensure the skilled migration program considers a broad range of occupations. This cap is determined using data from the Australian Bureau of Statistics and is applied to maintain the program's fairness and diversity. However, this cap does not apply to applicants under the Business Innovation and Investment Visa categories or state/territory nominations. That concludes this video. Please share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell for updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching, and good luck!